How to control startup app delays in Windows 11. Managing how your apps start up in Windows 11 is important for system performance and user experience. Let's walk through how to enable or disable the delay that controls when startup background apps run. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why Windows adds a startup delay. Whenever you log into a Windows 11 device, the system briefly delays background startup apps. This design prevents performance bottlenecks during system boot. However, in some IT environments, the delay can slow down essential workflows, especially on performance-sensitive systems or kiosks that need apps to load immediately. How to disable startup delay using Registry Editor. The Registry Editor method is ideal for single-user or testing setups. First, press Win+R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to. If the serialized key doesn't exist, create it. Then create a D-word 32-bit value named Startup Delay in milliseconds and set it to 0. Sign out and sign back in, or restart the system to apply changes. This method works per user, meaning the setting applies only to the currently logged in profile and must be repeated for each user as needed. How to automate startup delay control with PowerShell. For enterprise or multi-user environments, PowerShell scripting is more efficient. Run this command to disable the delay. To revert to the default delay, remove the value using the Remove Item Property command. This approach lets IT admins automate changes across environments while maintaining consistency. Important considerations before you change it. Disabling the startup delay may cause some applications to behave unpredictably if they rely on dependencies that load later. Always test changes first in a staging environment. Note that this setting is not exposed through group policy. It must be managed through scripts or the registry. For more information, check out our official blog post on managing startup app delays in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.